Hey guys, what's going on? It's Yoanti. I have two brand new sneaker pickups coming in for you guys from Hibbett Sports. I want to give a big thank you to Hibbett Sports for sponsoring this video and gifting me both of these sneakers. Hibbett is a great website with many great products on there, many great features, great shipping and return policies. So make sure you click the link in the description to buy either of these shoes. Let's get into both the shoes. They're both great back to school sneakers. Obviously, school is already started and coming back. So if you're looking for a fresh pair for the fall, both of these are great options. So I'm gonna get right into the Nikes because these are ones I've been really excited about. It's the Nike Joyride Run. Colorway is white, racer blue, platinum tint. And here we go, this is like the OG colorway of this sneaker. And obviously one of the most talked about things with this sneaker is the little micro beads in the shoe. And that's what gives it, you know, that maximum comfort and bounce. A lot of people have been comparing these to Ultra Boost, and everyone asks, you know, how does it compare to Ultra Boost? And honestly, from trying them on and walking around in them, the cushion is very good. But one thing I did find is you can feel the little beads right in the heel, which is interesting, but it's not like uncomfortable at all. But if right out the gate, if you were to ask me what's more comfortable, these are the Ultra Boost, I'd go Ultra Boost. However, they are still a very good, comfortable sneaker. I really like the style. Like I'm always been a big fan of like interesting swooshes. So I like the minimalistic swoosh on the front and then the swoosh right here on the back. I love how it's not just like some big Nike swoosh. So the style alone, I think's really sleek. And then obviously these beads, I think it's kind of preference, you know. It almost does look like a toy or something, which is interesting, but overall the technology was made for, you know, when you step down, those beads all kind of come together and form around your foot. So every step you take, it's essentially up to, you know, your shape of your foot, your weight, everything. These beads just move in that direction. So really cool, and it does have that kind of booty slip-on technology. It's almost two pieces, as you can see here. It's built into the shoe. I really like the pull tab on the back, just kind of like a cool look. And then obviously this colorway is very clean. You've got that like mint color, and then the rest is like an off-white. And then right here, the little dot in the tongue, pretty cool. So overall, comfortable shoe. I don't think it's as comfortable as the Ultra Boost, but still overall super comfortable. The bounce on these, it's like 14% more bounce compared to some other popular Nike sneakers. You do have a little neoprene on here too, which is a nice look, and then that mesh is super durable. As far as fit, you go true to size or half size up. I do think they could fit a little snug, so if you felt like going half size up, you could. And then one more, once again, talking about that minimalistic swoosh, you can see right here on the little TPU hit here, it does have a Nike swoosh very subtly. So a lot of detail, and overall just a great performance sneaker. And if you're looking for just an all-around shoe, say you're a kid in high school and you just want a shoe that you can wear to school, then go play sports in, this would be a good option. And if you're looking for more of a, you know, retro look, you grab these Reebok Classics. These are like the reconstructed versions. So obviously you've got that retro Reebok look, but kind of altered and updated. They obviously threw that Reebok logo right there on the heel in the midsection there. And then you've got these kind of cool colors with the yellow and the blue, and then obviously that toe box. Does remind me a little bit of like a New Balance, you know, retro sneaker. So if you are kind of going for that wave runner dad look sneaker, this is another great option. Great price too. These are only 80 bucks. So if you're looking for a shoe under 100 bucks for back to school, this is going to be your option. If you're looking for a sneaker that's, you know, a little pricey but has unbelievable comfort, the Joyride's your other option. So there are links to both these sneakers in the description, so make sure you check them out on Hibbett's website. They've got plenty of other sneakers for back to school, so make sure you click the link in the description, check out their app, check out their Instagram, and other than that, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.